Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best rubber patch kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner looking to tackle minor repairs with confidence and ease, offering a simple yet effective solution for mending various rubber items, from inflatable pools and air mattresses to wetsuits and even car tires, ensuring that small punctures and tears don't lead to bigger problems and saving you time and money on costly replacements. Number 5. Slime 1022, a tube rubber patch kit. Don't let a flat tire slow you down. This kit is designed to quickly repair punctures on a variety of vehicles and inflatables. It's perfect for fixing flats on ATVs, mowers, bicycles, and even wheelbarrows. Get back to what you're doing without the hassle. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a reliable repair. You'll find 5 durable rubber patches, a metal scuffer, and a tube of rubber cement. Patching leaks on tubes or other inflatables has never been easier. All the necessary components are included for a quick and effective fix. The kit features 2 1-inch diameter rubber patches with a strong silver metal backing. These ensure a secure and long-lasting seal for your repairs. What we like. This kit is your go-to for quick fixes on bikes and other inflatables. It comes with everything you need to patch a leak on the spot. If you're a cyclist or have various inflatables around the house, this is a convenient choice for emergency repairs. What people say. It worked pretty well to fix my BMX bike and my other bike, enough for the bike to break before even changing the tires. These are far superior for when, A, you have a slow leak in your tire from a tiny puncture. You use this permanent fix instead. B, you have replaced a tube, but now want to bring your old tube back to health so that it can serve as your spare. C, you are not in a big rush during your ride and you get a flat. Using this patch kit rather than a glueless one means not having to redo your work later. This is a great patch kit that does what it should, and the fixes stay fixed. After applying the glue vulcanizing fluid, do not immediately apply the patch but wait about 30 seconds. You can blow on it and it will have a dull hazy appearance unlike the wet shiny appearance when it is first applied. After the patch is fitted, press firmly down on it and massage the area. Let it sit for at least a minute before inflating. Finally, even though the clear plastic over the patch can be removed after the patch has been applied to the tire, yes, it looks better, but it can sometimes have a tendency to want to lift the edge of the patch when doing so. I would just leave the plastic film where it is. Number 4. Slime 20189 Tire Repair Kit. Introducing the Slime 20189 Tire Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frequent flats and hello to long-lasting protection for your tires. These aren't just any inner tubes. They are designed to stop flats for up to 2 years, thanks to the innovative slime technology inside. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. You'll find various sizes of rubber patches, 2 tubes of glue, and a scuffer conveniently located in the canister lid. It comes with large 4x2 patches, medium 1x2 patches, and small 1x1 patches, ensuring you have the right size for any puncture. The Presta valve tube installs just like any traditional inner tube. Full instructions are included in every pack for a hassle-free experience. All your repair essentials are neatly stored in a 4.2-cylinder container, featuring a scuffer integrated into the lid for easy access. What we like. Experience puncture-free rides for up to 2 years with the slime sealant inside. This comprehensive kit offers a range of patch sizes for different needs. If you're looking for extended protection and want to minimize future flats on your bicycle tubes, this is an excellent option. What people say. These are far superior for when you have a slow leak in your tire from a tiny puncture. Most of my punctures are this type, and I discover them when I am getting ready to ride and my tire is flat. You use this permanent fix instead. Patching a hole is relatively easy, but the correct procedure must be followed. Most importantly, the area around the hole needs to be thoroughly scuffed to remove the smooth shiny surface. When done correctly, the area should have a dull flat appearance. The glue is very strong. It would be great for a bike tire. Number 3. Slime 2033 Rubber Patch Kit. Don't let a flat tire slow you down. This kit is designed to easily repair punctures on a wide variety of vehicles and equipment. Inside, you'll find everything necessary for quick repairs. It includes plenty of patches in various sizes, along with glue and tools to get the job done. Whether it's your ATV, lawn mower, or even a bicycle, these patches are suitable for all your rubber repair needs. Repairing flats has never been simpler. Just follow the included instructions for a hassle-free installation. The kit comes with a generous supply of patches in different shapes and sizes, ensuring you have the right one for any puncture. Keep your tires in top condition with this dependable repair solution. It's the perfect addition to your toolkit for automotive tire maintenance. What we like. Get ready for any puncture with this extensive 60-piece kit, featuring a generous amount of patches in various shapes and sizes. It also includes a handy storage box to keep everything organized. If you frequently deal with flats on multiple vehicles like ATVs or lawn mowers, or simply want a complete solution for all your rubber repair needs, this kit is ideal. What people say. These are far superior for when, you have a slow leak in your tire from a tiny puncture. Most of my punctures are this type, and I discover them when I am getting ready to ride and my tire is flat. You use this permanent fix instead. B. You have replaced a tube, but now want to bring your old tube back to health so that it can serve as your spare. Remove the temporary patch, if applicable, and fix it the right way with this kit. C. You are not in a big rush during your ride and you get a flat. If you're not racing against the clock, or the sun, and have at least 20 minutes to let the glue dry, using this patch kit rather than a glueless one means not having to redo your work later. It's rare that I find myself in a circumstance where a glueless patch would be my choice. This is a great patch kit that does what it should, and the fixes stay fixed. Patching a hole is relatively easy, but the correct procedure must be followed. Most importantly, the area around the hole needs to be thoroughly scuffed to remove the smooth shiny surface. When done correctly, the area should have a dull flat appearance. The glue reacts with the rubber and softens it as part of the vulcanizing process when the patch is applied. It is better to have this area slightly bigger than the size of the patch, otherwise the edges of the patch may not bond properly and begin to peel back when the tube is inflated. After applying the glue vulcanizing fluid, do not immediately apply the patch but wait about 30 seconds. You can blow on it and it will have a dull hazy appearance, unlike the wet shiny appearance when it is first applied. When removing the foil from the sticky side of the patch, try not to touch the underside of the patch as oil and grease on your fingers may contaminate the patch and reduce its effectiveness. Try to align where the hole is so that it is under the center of the patch. After the patch is fitted, press firmly down on it and massage the area. Let it sit for at least a minute before inflating. The glue is very strong. I tried it on a CV boot which has grease inside the boot. It slowed the leak down. It would be great for a bike tire. Number 2. Tier 8 Vinyl Repair Kit Type B. Tired of rips and tears ruining your favorite vinyl items? Introducing the Tier 8 Vinyl Repair Kit, your ultimate solution for quick and durable fixes. This clear patch is designed for a wide range of vinyl-coated materials. It seamlessly blends in, making repairs almost invisible. From tents and awnings to air mattresses and pool liners, it handles it all. Keep your outdoor gear in top condition with this reliable repair solution. Applying the patch is simple and requires no special tools. Just peel and stick for a strong, long-lasting bond that prevents further damage. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring your repairs stay intact through sun, rain, and use. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your items are protected. Don't let damage get you down. Choose this kit for an effective and convenient way to extend the life of your vinyl products. What we like. This repair kit is designed exclusively for vinyl and vinyl-coated materials, offering a clear, matte finish that blends seamlessly. It's perfect for items like tents, awnings, and pool liners. If you have specific vinyl items that need a durable and discreet repair, this is the specialized solution you're looking for. What people say. The material and color matched well with the area I was fixing. Application was easy and it stuck to the product very well. We used this for our camper 3 years ago, and it's still I'm completely attached without peeling. Number 1. Tier 8 Vinyl Repair Kit Type B. Introducing a revolutionary repair solution that makes patching holes and tears incredibly simple. It also doubles as a protective film. Crafted from an exceptionally tough, matte finish elastomer, this repair patch resists abrasion, punctures, and tearing for lasting durability. This Type B patch is designed exclusively for vinyl and vinyl-coated materials. It effectively blocks the oils found in vinyl, preventing common adhesive failures. Enjoy a repair that won't turn gummy, even in high heat. It conforms to irregular surfaces and is UV resistant to prevent yellowing. Get instant adhesion with no sewing or glue required. This see-through patch works on any color and provides a clean, mess-free repair. Easily cut the patch to any size you need with scissors. This kit includes various patch sizes and reinforcement filament for edge repairs. What we like. Enjoy a mess-free, instant repair with this innovative patch that requires no glue or sewing. It's specially formulated to adhere strongly to vinyl and vinyl-coated materials, resisting oils that break down other adhesives. If you need a quick, long-lasting, and easy-to-apply repair for your vinyl inflatables or gear, and want a UV-resistant finish, this is the product for you. What people say. The patch material is clear, so the patch becomes less visible when adhered to the vinyl, regardless of its color. It has been in use for 3 to 4 weeks now with no issues. Patchwork looks great. Use Tear Aid to repair a cut in my inflatable mattress. Tried other solutions previously but nothing held more than a few minutes. The Tear Aid instruction is good. After patching, used my heat gun for less than 5 minutes to speed up the bonding process. Been using the mattress for 3 days straight now and it's still holding. One key thing I agree with the product doc, the material must be able to stretch. Upon inflation and usage, the patch will get stretched. If the material isn't flexible, it will eventually give way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.